In the 1960s, Scania's engineers managed to develop a new engine concept that took the market by storm. The Scania 14-litre V8 was not only the most powerful truck engine of its time, it performed like nothing else and contributed strongly to build the Scania brand. Continuously developed over the years, the engine remained in production until the year 2000, when it was replaced by the new 16-litre V8. The new V8 engine continued to build from there, featuring higher outputs and torque ratings, better drivability, and strong driver appeal. Scania's V8 trucks are available as Euro 3, Euro 4, EEV and Euro 5, in outputs from 500 up to 730 horsepower and 3,500 Newton-meters of torque. The Scania V8 trucks are economical and enduring workhorses that are ready to take on new demanding challenges all around the world.